Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I'm going to talk about a product that's great just for in time for the holidays. It's going to have multiple uses, but I'm using it for the Christmas season. So these are rechargeable fairy lights. So basically, you can use these for all kinds of decorations. They are waterproof, which you'll see here in a minute. They have a long battery life. Has remote control. So let's kind of open it up here, and everything you get, you see, you get a user manual. Then we get a remote control. We get a battery pack here. And then this is a charger to charge said battery pack. And then here are the lights themselves. And that is pretty much everything that comes in the package. And then in here, it's just this thin copper wire that you unlink here and you wrap. And as you can see, it just unravels. And you can use it to decorate whatever you want to decorate. We will go ahead and take out the remote here. We'll pull out this little plastic piece at the bottom to activate the battery. And then the battery pack, so I've pre-charged this, but it plugs into the bottom here, if I can get it plugged in. That's one thing I've noticed. It's a little hard to plug in because they recess this way in here, but other than that, that's really my only complaint with this product. So let's see if I can get this in here, which I am clearly struggling. All right, there we go. So it is plugged in, and you can control it from here. As you can see, we've got flashing lights. You can keep them on solid all the time. This is kind of the more fairy mode where they're blinking, going kind of rotating here. And then you got like a pulsating, which is also alternating. So there's, as you can see, there is a ton of options going through this. And then if you didn't want to control it here, you can also control it with the remote. So you've got the on button, you got the off button, and then you've got the 8 different modes that these have. And you just hit the buttons here, and they kind of rotate through them. And then you got some other DIY modes, and then you've got controlling the speed, depending on what you're wanting to do, and then you can dim them or make them brighter, and then it's got a timer mode. I will recommend, in order to see all these controls, it would be kind of flip through the instructions to tell you how to do all that. But that's basically it. Like I said, these are really cool for decorating, especially putting in vases and things like that, or decorating along shelves. If you want to check them out, I'll include a link down below. You can find out how to buy them and how much they cost and everything like that. Until the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.